Hey guys, I'm starting YouTube. I'm like 10 years old. I'm gonna start doing, I will do videos of Minecraft. I'll start playing on the computer on Minecraft. It's gonna be longer videos. And I just want you guys to know that I want you to watch my videos so I can get likes and probably make money. I don't know. This is gonna be probably my job someday. I'm gonna be playing like Skyrim factions hopefully and all those. Tell me like the servers they're on so that I know, because I really want to know like the website so I can go play them. By the time I'm like 14 through 18, I'm gonna start playing Call of Duty Black Ops and doing videos of that. I might do Need for Speed. I don't really know yet. I'm gonna definitely do like a lot of videos of Minecraft, but I like Call of Duty Black Ops more. But I wanted to say that I'm a really good Minecraft player, but not the best. Someday I will be a good YouTuber and good. Oh, what the heck? Oh, okay. And I will be a good Minecraft player, like as good as Bajan Canadian Bajan. Also, I wanted to say subscribe to Preston Plays and all of them. And if you do this link in the description below, I'm gonna put a link in the description below, and I want you to put it in chat, okay guys? So thank you for watching this introduction, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Peace.